I'm in the middle of moving to another state. All my stuff is gone already. It will take around 8 to 10 days. And before throwing my empties, I wanted to share my short review. So these are some of my empty skincare. First one is I just finished this today, ELF. This is brow pencil. I have another backup or another pencil. I don't know where I have to search. But yes, this is over. See, it's over. Nothing is coming out. So really love this. So beautiful. I will definitely miss this. I need to search, buy another one. This, if you are an Indian, you will know this is just for nostalgic purpose. I bought this. The smell of this is the fragrance talcum powder, just to put it, underarms or neck while sleeping. I feel so good. It just, reminds me of my childhood. So yes, this is Pond's, especially this fragrance, Dreamflower. I don't use any micellar water or sponge and all. I love using cleansing oil, and this is one purifying foaming cleanser which I really love. It not make my skin dry at all. The next one I like this from Medicube. This is red cleansing. I think the bottle is changed, packaging is different right now. So this is also so good. Then I really love this toner. I have emptied so many toner, and toner is one of my favorite skincare routine step. Definitely recommend start with a toner. This toner from Pixie Glow Tonic, perfect for if any part of your skin like underarms or bikini area is dark spots you have, this really lightens, very good. Then this Centella Moisturizer Hyaluronic Sleeping Pack, so good. Definitely recommend. Will really definitely repurchase it. And this again, it's over. Purito Soul Mighty Bamboo 10 on 10. And this from L'Oreal Revitalift, so good. Really loved the formula, the texture. My skin was looking so dewy, and really like this SPF 30. This I have finished by Clinique. So many moisturizers, this tub of this, and I think this blue one especially is not available anywhere. It was I got it on Amazon, and check if you find this one. There is another green one as well, but I don't know, this blue one is not available. If you find it, 100% check this. This is Peach Slices Acne Exfoliating Toner. This I used it on my acne. Very nice. It definitely lightened my dark spots in my back. Then this is from It Cosmetics. Very good. Really love the texture, the formula. It is very thick, so perfect during winters. Then this is by Kiehl's Ultra Facial. My son really loved it. He has acne skin. Right now he's 19, but when he was 16, 17, during that phase, he used to get so many acnes, and this really calmed his skin. Really love this. I've bought so many more after this. Then this is the night cream. Again, I used to use this during the day and this during the night. I finished this. See, this is also so good. Really loved. And morning when I see my face, skin looked so nice and dewy. Then this is again Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Really nice. Then this again moisturizer, so good. I finished this applying on my acne. This is again one of my favorite toner, Tear Milk Skin Toner. The dupe of this was the Farmacy one. This, you literally don't need to apply moisturizer if you're using toner. If in case you are in a hurry, don't have time to apply, or you don't carry, just apply these, any of these toner, the milk toner and honey milk, same consistency and formula. And this by Charlotte Tilbury. Also, whenever I apply this, use the foundation, my skin looks so dewy, and also I felt noticed my makeup lasted really long. It was not like cakey or anything. And this again, First Aid Beauty Collagen Cream, very nice. Then this moisturizer, the whole range, the Skin House. This is a Korean skincare, very good, one of my favorite brand after Skin 104, the Skin House. 100% recommend if you're in your 25s, you're starting your skincare, I could definitely recommend try this brand. Then this again, I think this is Farmacy Halo Glow, really nice. I don't know, I don't like the packaging. It was, when it gets over, it's very difficult to remove it, but it's okay, it's their style. Honeycombs, the packaging. Yes, the packaging, the cream, the formula, everything was so good, very moisturizing. It lasted, my skin was not dry the whole day. Just once I apply in the morning, it's good. And this lip balm I finished. Really love the cooling minty sensation. See this. All the lip balm, the plumping lip balms are also kind of similar, formula. This is the one lip balm. I will not recommend this. I just finished this. It is just like for fashion, or you want to use it during airport look and all. It does not do anything. It's not hydrating. It is just an oil. Obviously, if you have cracks or dry lips, this will not work. So no, I will not recommend it. Then this again, the serum. I finished 3 more bottles. Crystal serum, very nice. I think, see, this is the second one which I finished, and this is the facial oil. Really love this. Again, this is the Skin House. This is the moisturizer, and this is the serum. I used to apply these two. Then this Karuna, this is actually, I don't know if this did anything. This is also expensive. I finished this, but I'll just give like 6 out of 10. Okay, I don't know, I will not recommend this. Then this is again my which range, Some by Me. Yes, Some by Me. This range, Miracle Cream, 30 days Miracle Cream, this whole range was good. I am using a toner. I finished the toner. See, this is the toner, this range, and I had a serum somewhere. Okay, yeah, see, this is the serum also which I finished. This whole range, the set is very good. 100% recommend. Try this. Also has that cooling, you feel that I don't know how to say it, it's very refreshing, this set. Then this is Tokobo. My son also loved this. He has acne prone skin. This SPF is also nice. The texture, that it has very earthy scent. And again, this is SPF 50 PA 4 times plus. Very nice, sunscreen. Recommended. And again, this is the Skin House Pore Control Powder Serum. Nice. Then these two are Collagen Skin House Serums, Ampule. Really nice. The whole range, as I told you about the Skin House, Some by Me, Skin 104. These are one of my favorite brands. So check the link in my LTK shop, Pam D'Souza.